I want to make Claude Code as my default assistant, and it's kind of having an option which is a new release. So there is a new release inside Claude Code which is known as Claude Code Dispatch, which is still in the beta version. So basically it is a assistant which will run on my phone, and I want it to remind me every day and also track my progress. So the first thing that we need to do is go to Chrome and add this extension into Chrome. Once I add the Claude extension into the Chrome, it will take a bit of time. It's 4.9 MB, but since my Wi-Fi is, I think that will make a lot of sense. Okay, we just finished the Chrome extension. Now let's just add it. It's not working though. Where is extensions? Extensions. Manage extensions. Nothing is there. Chrome Web Store. Claude. Add to Chrome. Add extension. I don't think that is the account. Let me just sign into the original Claude account. Okay, this is the last step. I have installed Claude inside the Chrome, and let's just double check it. Login. Authorize. Okay, now it is on. Now let's go back to Claude again. Claude desktop. Come on, yeah. Hey, you're here, tell me what's on your plate. Find, download, status, find, passport, scan, check, visa rules for your trip, scan, Slack for bugs, search for repos, for errors, everything. Okay. Let me just, we have an option to keep the computer awake. I don't want to use that. Computer, yes. Output, yes. And let me just go and figure out how to create this personal assistant using Claude. Before I start today's work, I was actually thinking of creating a system before I start working, right? And one of the things that I really want to do is this website, right? I have this domain which is purchased way earlier for my personal website / resume / thing. But the problem is Hostinger has an amazing website editor, but it's kind of really expensive, and it does have like only a standard template. So what I did was actually connect Hostinger. Probably should delete this one. By the way, I'm a Malayali, so I love Malayalam films to my core, and I bench watch it when I'm doing some work. Let me just delete this one as well. Okay, so as you can see, this is the Hostinger's AI editing window. As you can see, the get credit, we are out of credits. It's kind of a rubbish thing, right? They're like, oh, buy me a credit on top of the subscription fee. Come on, guys. So what I did is I used Hostinger's API calling feature, and I called an API, and then I connected it with Claude Code, right? And here is it. I first actually created a cursor, and I opened a cursor, and then I pasted all of the information of Hostinger MCP installation. And after I installed the MCP, I'm saying a lot of I. After installing the MCP, I copied the API key from the terminal, so it doesn't actually, in the Claude Code doesn't actually see the API key, but it goes through the terminal, so it becomes secure, and even it doesn't push it to GitHub or anything like that. So after that, we're going to create this one. It's asking me what is the main section. Do you want products, blogs, about, contact, build flow, products, build in public journal? I think I need one. Yeah, one is good. So after that, I asked it whether show me Hostinger domain, and it's saying, yeah, October 18, 2024 I purchased the domain, and it expires in October 2026. Do you need DNS records, set up landing page, configure emails, something else? And we will configure emails, but in the meanwhile, I'm going to redesign the whole template. So right now, this is the whole website. It looks ugly as F. Mainly, let me see, open a preview. This is just my LinkedIn, and this is a pre-made template from Hostinger. I didn't actually buy any other hosting service because this was the cheapest one out there, and it looks like 2003 design, right? It's like way simplified. But since Claude Code is there, new ready to blah blah blah, file is ready. Next step, preview it locally. Okay, so the file is ready here, so I think I can kind of see it somewhere here, right here. And what I have to do is, okay, that is crazy good. It's not that good, but we have a really good one. Now deploy it to Hostinger. So now what you guys are missing out is, if I go to blogs, right, and there is this blog post. So every time my YouTube video comes in, every time my LinkedIn video comes in, I can actually deploy this into Hostinger, and that's how I can get SEO and GEO friendly websites for me. That is amazingly crazy. So let's go and see. Log on to HPanel, file drive, and this thing. Or give an FTP credential and I'll upload it. Okay, FTP upload. I'll do the FTP upload. So I just have to go through here. So I'm going to stop the screen record. And as you guys know, in this AI era, you don't have to understand FTP and all. You can just use hosting as AI service here. Can you please give me the FTP credentials? Hostinger has their own Cody AI, which is not actually really good, but it does the job. I think it will be here under the cPanel somewhere, but I'm not really sure where it is. It's having OpenClaw, guys. What? I never saw this thing. It's 540. Oh, that's not really bad. Okay, let me just get the FTP link from here. Meanwhile, I have an issue that my app that I want to upload in the Play Store for now, because Play Store is a one-time subscription fee while Apple Store is a monthly subscription fee, is not actually working. So Play Store has some issue because I purchased the Play Store when I was in UK and now I'm in India, and all of this region change and everything, verification ID and stuff like that is not working at all. So I have to contact the Play Store helpline. There is an election going on here in Kerala and everybody said everything. Meanwhile, today finally the Google Play Store issue is trying to get resolved, and after a long day waiting, they have replied to me what I have to do, and I'm actually doing that here inside Google Play Store. Hopefully today it will be sorted and I can upload my app on Play Store. Everybody's have to stay with me, and not yet. Let me see. While the Play Store issue will be resolved in a few moments or days, I got back to coding and developing the apps and also the system for myself and tracking, and parallelly updating my website and also connecting Claude and maintaining that connection. I'm a really careless guy, so the attire is known as Mundo. It's really comfortable here and it's extremely hot right now. It's like 37 to 41 degrees and it feels like 42. So don't judge me on my attire. And that would be a wrap for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next vlog. Adios.